Hey there, friends. Welcome into the Business Pitch Deck conversation. I'm Superior Shelby, a 71% successful grant writer and a 10-year entrepreneur. I've been winning grants for so many different small business owners, startups, and new innovations. And in today's video, we are going to talk about what is a business pitch deck, why you need to have one, and essentially what are the key aspects that you need to have inside of this presentation. All right, so I have my handy dandy notes here. Now, a pitch deck, right? You might have heard me say this continuously on my YouTube channel about the key things that you need to have in order for you to win small business grant. And if you want to learn more about what you need to have to best prepare you for grant opportunities, you can go ahead and refer to the video somewhere on this that's linked on this video. And I have an entire video series on how to search and apply to grants. I also have a video course, the link is in the description down below, on how to prepare and search and apply for not only grant opportunities, but accelerator programs and incubators. So much good information that you should know about debt-free opportunities that serve in your favor. So what is a business pitch deck? A business pitch deck is a PowerPoint presentation, like a slideshow of different information or aspects about what your product or service is. And essentially what it's doing is it is relaying that information about your product or service to any investor or a potential partner or even your customers, right? You can use a business pitch deck for your customers. If you actually Google the definition, it would say it's a presentation that persuades or conveys an idea or opportunity to potential investors, highlighting some key aspects. So it sparks your interest, it actually grabs your attention. That's exactly what the entire business pitch deck is supposed to do. This business pitch deck is actually supposed to go hand in hand with your business plan. I did a separate video on why you need a business plan. So this is like that, A plus B, right? Or it just the icing on the cake for you being prepared for funding opportunities and just being professionally prepared on your business development journey. So let's talk about the key aspects you need to have inside of this business pitch deck. So in your business presentation, your pitch deck presentation, you need to have these key indicating factors that you would usually have inside of your business plan as well. It's very important that these professional documents all correspond, because as soon as something goes off grid or is not corresponding or it just is quite confusing, then you might lose out on an opportunity. So make sure that the exact same information and details you have inside of your business plan is also conveyed inside of your business pitch deck as well. So some key factors that you need to have inside of your business pitch deck. For number one, you definitely need to introduce yourself. A little bit about you would show meritness. Like, what are your skills, achievements? Did you go to college for this, or did you get a certification in order for you to be able to do this kind of service? So just give them some information about you and what interests you the most about getting into this particular market sector. And then you also want to give them the problem. So what is your market problem? And then following that, you want to have a slide directly about the solution. What is the solution to this problem, and how are you providing that solution through your product or service? Following that, you need to have some market research. Small market research, right? Well, how much money can you potentially make by being in this market industry? Next, you need to have your product or service, right? You need to outline exactly what your product or service is. Give us a picture, give us a visual of exactly what that product is or what it looks like when you are performing your services. Following that, you need to give us information about your team. It's really good if you are like a single membered LLC, then like I said, that about page at the beginning, that will be really good. That will essentially be like your slide about your team. But if you have others that on your payroll that you're working with, then putting that information in there, who's your team members, things like that, what makes them skilled to develop the product or to do the service, that's always good to put in there. And also when you have a team and you can show you have payroll, you have other individuals that work alongside with you to deliver this product and service, it shows that other people are interested in this market too. And you're not the only one that's doing it, right? It's a collective effort. So it's really cool. Next, you would give information about your traction or revenue. So how do you plan to gain traction or revenue about your product or service? So how are people going to be aware about it, and how are you going to make money from that, right? For example, in your business plan, it should actually outline what your traction is or what your revenue, how you're going to generate revenue. But it can be something as simple as we're going to put out a Facebook ad. Then once they click on the ad, they're going to be directed to our website. Once they're directed to our website, most cases people are looking for this particular service. So when they're on my website, they're going to click the link to book a consultation. Once they book a consultation, the consultation costs this amount of money, and that is how we're going to make revenue. Once we have a consultation, then we would express to them what our services are in the consultation, and then they would sign up for one of the following services or all of our services, allowing us to have that is our full traction. And then last but not least, you need to have your financial projections. So the purpose of the pitch is to convey the partners, potential partners, investors, or whoever's going to give you an opportunity, whether it be funding opportunity or networking opportunity. So you need to convey exactly what your financial projections are. In the first year, how much money do you plan to make? So if you say in your first year, you want to make $100,000, in your second year, you want to make $120,000 with an increase or a profit of 20%, then you want to continue to relay that in like some sort of nice chart, or you can just do like, a line graph or whatever have you. However you want to visually present it. Remember, everything is supposed to be visual. It's supposed to be attention grabbing, and you need to have pictures. The purpose of this is it's a presentation. So you are supposed to be talking and pitching to investors using this slideshow presentation, okay? So that's what you need to have inside of your business pitch. Okay, so why do you need to have a business pitch deck? Well, for starters, having a business pitch deck is very professional, and like it shows that you are committed to your entire development process. But the business pitch deck, like I said, it serves as that presentation for when you are going for opportunities like investment capital, especially for grants. In 2025 and beyond, I've noticed that a lot of these grant applications are actually requesting a business pitch deck and a 3-minute pitch video. So if you have the pitch deck already put together, you can essentially use the back of your phone camera, right? And you can record yourself and use this slideshow as like a green screen or behind you, or you can just simply use other like Zoom or loom.com, which is like a screen recorder, and you can go through each slide and still have your face somewhere, on the screen, going over exactly what your business is about in your product or service. Now, the business pitch deck is attention grabbing, and it's supposed to convey the reasons for why they should be interested and give you the opportunity. So a business pitch deck is something that everyone needs. For each business that I develop, I write my business plan and do my business pitch deck, and I use some artificial intelligence tools to do that in less than 5 minutes. More information about these tools and how to develop your own business pitch deck and business plan in less than 5 minutes. The link is down below. I have a full video course on how to use and access these tools, and so much more I'm diving deep on in this particular video course, okay? So welcome to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching towards the end of the video. Continue to watch more videos in this small business development series because I'm dropping some gems, okay? I'm giving you all the information, key pointers that you need as a startup and small business to help you develop, okay? So make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and other business, friends and family and stuff, so they can know about what a business pitch deck is. And also subscribe to my channel, right? So you won't miss out on any more of my informative videos, interactive videos. And comment down below whether or not you knew or you heard of a business pitch deck or a brand deck and what you thought it was. Tell me, have you already created one? And if you want a more tailored, personalized one-on-one conversation with me, and you want me to go over your brand deck or pitch deck that you've already created to reassure yourself on whether or not this business pitch deck that you have created already is perfect for these opportunities that you're going to be going for, you can always book a one-on-one consultation with me. The link is in the description down below. Okay, guys, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.